Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a backup or how to transfer data on your VIVO X200 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So as you can see, I just resetted my phone to show you the whole process. So now simply let's click on start. Now in here we need to select our location. So give me a second. I'll just do it. In here you need to agree that I have read and agree to the above. Simply click on next. And now we have set up using another device. So let's pick the Android device because this one is an Android. So now we need to use it to scan this QR code. So I'll just open the camera and scan this. Okay. It's done. Now we need to turn on the Bluetooth. Let's click on continue. It says it might need a few seconds. Oh, now it's connecting to the same Wi-Fi also. So on this phone we can see that we need to continue on our new device, which is the VIVO. So let's wait until this process is finished. Okay, now it's copying our account. Now we need to verify. We need to type the password from this phone because of this email. So please remember it, otherwise you won't be able to transfer the data. So now I'm gonna type my password. So give me a second. Okay, I typed my password. Now we're going forward. So okay, now if you want you can set an unlock method. For now I'll just skip it. Now again we have the copy data from your Android device. Simply click on next. Okay, getting ready to copy. And now again we need to wait. Okay, now in here we need to choose what we want to copy. As you can see, it might takes about 6 minutes to transfer, but I don't want everything for this example to copy everything, so I'll unselect the apps, photos and videos, actually only device settings. I want only that. So let's click on copy. Now the copying data process has started, so again we need to wait. Okay, now we have the Google services. You can enable here to back up your device data and to use location, allow scanning, allow send usage and diagnostic data, install updates and apps. But if you don't want to, you can simply unselect this. Okay, now we want to click on accept. Now click on next. Now we need to select a browser. I'll choose the Google Chrome and the engine as Google as a default. Now let's click to continue the setup. In here we don't need to accept this. Now we have the Gemini, we can turn it on. For now I'll skip the Google Pay. Okay, and the copying process is going, so let's wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, on both phones, so now we have the information that copying is done. So in that one we can click on close, and here also we can click on done. Okay, so we won't be needing that phone anymore, so I will shut down the screen. Okay, in here we can click on next, you can click on agree, again click on next. In here choose the navigation mode. I'll just leave the gesture, click on get started. And now your phone is ready to use. Okay, so that was the first method. Okay, and now the second option, which is by using the Google Cloud. So again, let's click on start. Now let's select our location. Okay, United Kingdom. In here, click on allow, click on next. In here, we want to click on skip. Now the now we want to connect to the Wi-Fi, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'll just type the password, so give me a second. Okay, it's done. Now let's wait until this process again is finished. Okay, now the Google account, we need to sign in, but remember to sign in to the same Google account on which backup was made. So I'm gonna type it, so wait. Okay, I just typed my email number and now I need to, as you can see, enter the password. So again, give me a second. Okay, now I'll put the phone in here, click on next, click on agree. Okay, the phone is getting the account info. In here, let's click on skip, because it's not necessary for now. For now again we have copy apps and data. Now again we want to click on next. And now we have the option to restore data from another device, and that's the option that I was talking about, which is from the Google Cloud. So in here, as you can see, I made up my backup for the Vivo 30 minutes ago, and now I want to restore it. So I choose the Vivo. Okay, and in here you can pick what you want to restore. You can restore apps, contacts, device, and the device settings. Okay, I don't want the apps, I only want contacts and device settings. So let's click on restore. Now again the process has started, sorry. Okay, and now you want to click on accept. If you want, you can turn on backup. Click on continue. In here you can agree to let contacts nearby find and share with you, but I don't want it for now. Click on continue. In here you can turn on the Gemini, but I don't want to for now, and I also don't want the Google Pay for now. Okay, now again we need to wait. Okay, in here you can click on next. I'm just gonna agree to everything. I'll leave the 3-button navigation as a navigation mode, but you can select the gesture. Click on next, click on get started, and now your phone is ready to use. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.